Fáilte roimh go fáil míle Gaeilge. Welcome back to Let's Learn Irish. Level A1 topic a cethair déag, Rannóg a cethair an like to saor ag díriú a bheith Labhairt. Level A1 topic 14 section 4 Will you be free? Focusing on listening. Lamúna, ceist a chur rinne an like sé saor agus an cheist sin a ragart. Asking somebody will they be free and answering that question. Tágartí dul cádaí sosialta, ceist a chur rinne cén úr a bheith rud éigin ar siúl agus an cheist sin a ragart. Mentioning social occasions, asking when something will be happening and answering that question. Cuire a thuair do chuine agus ghlacha leis agus diúil tú do chura. Offering someone an invitation and accepting or declining the invitation. Ag an filleog an like to saor uat an chníomhaíocht seo, you'll need a handout, Will you be free, for this activity. There's a link in the description box below to the handouts and notes for the lesson. An like to saor, will you be free? This activity is suitable to be done in a group with other people. It's one way it can be completed. If you're working on your own and you don't have a study buddy, you can write out the conversation that might take place if you were asking people to go somewhere with you, filling out your diary or your journal. Seo the dhéalann don teachtain. This is your diary or your journal for the week. Líon an díalann trí chuirí a thuairt do dhaoine eile. Fill in your diary by giving other people invitations. Mar shampla, a níomh. A while at dul chuig kosher de luan. Niamh, would you like to go to a party on Monday? Má ghlachan Niamh leis an gcuire, scríomh, kosher le Niamh sa spás cuí. If Niamh accepts your invitation, put party with Niamh in the correct space. Lean araig mar sin go dtí go mbeidh cruinne difriúil agat gach lá. Continue on like this until you have a different appointment every day. Éist leis na cuirí eile a thugann daoine eile ditse. Listen to the invitations other people give you if you are indeed in a group. Má tá tú saor, ghlach leo. Mana bhfuil tú saor, beidh gur diúil tú dóibh. If you're free, accept them. If you're not free, you'll need to decline. An mbeidh tú saor, sample conversation. Duine A, a mbeidh tú saor. Duine B, bhaid ní bhaid. Duine A, a bhfuil ag dul chuig nó go dtí áit éigin. Duine B, ba phrálam ach daime ag dul go dtí an. Pick Victorlin le Sean. I'd love to, but I'll be going to the cinema with Sean. Anois, Déan chuir síos ar na Socruithe atá déanta agat don teachtain. And now describe the arrangements you have made for the week. So if you don't have a study buddy, you could just fill out an imaginary diary and then describe the different arrangements in Irish that you have going on for the week. Agus sin deire le Rannóg a cethair an mbeidh tú saor, and that's the end of section 4, Will you be free? Ceist a chur rinne an mbeidh sé saor agus an cheist sin a ragart. Tágartí dul cádaí sosialta, ceist a chur rinne cén úr a bheith rud éigin ar siúl agus an cheist sin a ragart. Cuire a thuair do chuine agus ghlacha leis agus diúil tú do chura. Tá na nótaí agus bilóg a oibre le fáil in éineacht le cóid fuaimne agus nascan na Quizlet, suíomh lús cartaí. The lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course along with the MP3 files and Quizlet links, this is a flashcard website, are available. The original files are available to download at Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge, teg.ie, or edited versions can be found at my website, simplyjacintha.com. Direct link is in the description box below. Míle buíochas do Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thuairt dom úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil ar a sliomh. Many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for their information to use, the learning materials and resources that are available on their website. Tásúlgam gur bhain sibh tanamh as. I hope you enjoyed it and got some use out of it. If you did, like and subscribe and share with your friends who may be interested in learning Irish.